Next, proof number 53. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. First of all, let us consider left hand side expression. So, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, so this is LHS and this is RHS. Here I am taking LHS, then I will prove LHS equals to RHS. Okay, so first of all, here we have two trigonometric expressions. So we have plus sign. So we have to add two trigonometric expressions using LCM method or crosswise multiplication method. So here I am using crosswise multiplication. So addition of two fractions. So addition of two trigonometric expressions, rational expressions, you will get again trigonometric expression. So first of all, find product of denominators. 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus product of denominators. 1 plus sin A into cos A. Yes, okay. Next. Now apply crosswise multiplication. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Okay. Plus next. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay. Next. Cos square A plus. Now simplify this. A plus B whole square. This is like A plus B whole square. A is equal to 1, B is equal to sin A. A plus B whole square. A square 1 square plus B square sin square A plus 2AB. 2 into 1 into sin A. 2 into 1 into sin A. Okay, now just expand 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 plus sin A into cos A. In trigonometry, we have some identities, trigonometric identities. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1 2. So 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A into cos A. Let us simplify further. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. So 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A into cos A. So just observe these two terms. Here 2 is common, so take out 2 as a common factor, and here we will have 1 plus here sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. So at last you will get 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A. So here 2 by cos A. So it can be written as 2 into 1 by cos A. So 1 by cos A means what? Reciprocal of cosine function is the secant function. So 1 by cos A means secant A. So this is RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Hence, proof.